Hello, I would like to show you how to replace cup holders in Porsche 996. It seems quite easy, but if you don't know, I will show you. First of all, we have to put out this part. Actually, I've made this just without of any tools, with my hands, just taking off this part. I don't know, it was very easy. Then we have 4 bolts here, and the second one is here, and on that side exactly here, and on the bottom 4. So we have 4 bolts. And what next? Then we have the part with air vents, and it was a question mark. To take it off, you have to press those things here, because it's blocked here. So you're pressing this and this with a screwdriver, for example, and you are taking out the air vents. When you have air vents out, you have the access to the cup holder. So what you have to do next is you have to press this part, and you're pressing this, and exactly the same on the left side. You can push into inside the cup holders, and then you can take it off. So it's a quite easy thing to do.